Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen here at my mama's house, and I've got some awesome recipes for you today. My son Jack is here. He's had a half day at school, and it is fall season. So we're doing fall recipes today. It's also football season, and it's football season, and it's football season, and it's football season.
And baseball.
And baseball. Braves captured the National League Division Championship. We're going to the Divisional Championship a few days ago. So fall means a lot of things, and pumpkin is one of those things that people love. So today we're doing pumpkin bars. This is a super easy recipe, and it reminds me of so many things that I've cooked at Mom's house and at our restaurant. We love dessert bars. So since it is that time of year, we're gonna do pumpkin. And this is a really easy recipe. And should I tell them, Teresa, the measurements, or are you gonna put a graphic up later?
They like the measurements, Jamie.
Okay,
So.
well, I'm gonna have to read them. It's 4 eggs, all right? We have 1 2/3 cups of granulated sugar. We have 1 cup of vegetable oil and a 15-ounce can of pumpkin mix. So then we're gonna mix all these things together. I'll start with the sugar. Get our oil in there. Let me see, said the blind man. Pumpkin. Mama's house is decorated this year on the inside. There's a giant spider hanging over Jack's head.
I'm gonna go show them that for just a second.
I love the outside decorations. All right, our pumpkin. So let's go 4 eggs. This little can here is convenient. If y'all, I love to keep a little garbage bowl on the counter so I don't have to make a million trips to the trash can. And this empty can is perfect. Rinse my hands real quick. Now we're gonna mix this on low. We don't wanna create a huge mess. So let's get it started on a low speed. We're gonna mix this until it kind of gets, everything's incorporated and it's light and fluffy. Beautiful. I mean, that is a fall dessert we got working right here. Okay, now our dry ingredients, y'all, are 2 cups of flour that we have sifted, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we have 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now for this, I'm just gonna mix it with a regular spoon to get all this incorporated together. And then we're gonna slowly add our dry into our wet. We're gonna do that at a low speed too. We wanna get it, we don't want any flour clumps. So let's turn our beaters on low. It's a pretty high low. And we're gonna go a little bit at a time. Okay, y'all, you see I've got it going pretty good in there. But take some care right here around the edges. Get your rubber spatula and make sure you get all that dry stuff down in here. So I'm gonna clean the edge of my bowl. Make sure there's, y'all know when you got the hand mixer, sometimes there's a part of the bowl that you just some reason don't get to. So I'm gonna get all that together.
That looks fabulous.
Yep, it's really pretty. Give it a couple more turns. And that's it. So y'all know when you see me here, you can count on simple, delicious recipes, because Lord knows I got a wife and 3 kids and 2 dogs and 14 jobs, and there's never enough time to do anything. Had to tell Teresa when I got here today, I can only do half the work she wants me to do, because number 1 needs some things, number 2 needs some things, number 3 needs some things, and the mama, number one, real one, needs some things. So we've got an 8x10 container here.
That's a 9 by 13.
9 by 13, that's what I said. Roll back the tape. I'm gonna get this down in here. Look how pretty this is. Y'all, this time of year, we've had the Lady and Sons for over 30 years now. And this time of year, we made more pumpkin gooey butter cakes than you could ever imagine. So that's your regular gooey butter cake recipe, but you put a can of pumpkin in the top. And I used a spice cake mix for the base, and it is really good. So that's a bonus recipe for you today.
Oh, I didn't know that you used a spice cake mix.
Yep.
That's a nice little, that is a bonus.
A spice cake mix on the bottom and a can of pumpkin in your top will give you a pumpkin gooey butter cake, which at this time of the year is really a super fantastic, popular dessert. Okay, y'all, this is it. It is almost time to enjoy some fresh pumpkin bars. This is going into the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. So when you get back, I'll have dessert. Okay, y'all, our pumpkin bars have come out of the oven. You want to completely cool these because this icing that we're going to put on there, it's going to be a little thick, and if it gets hot, it's going to melt and it's going to be a mess. So as you can see, some of you with a keen eye might notice, why is the light different today? And how did he shave? I went to all the trouble to wear this shirt that I was wearing yesterday when I started this recipe, so busy, to finish it today. And then I spoil the illusion by telling you this is 2 different days. It's the magic of TV, y'all. Magic of TV stands for baloney most of the time. So this is the second day. This is completely cooled. Oh, I just messed it up too because I touched it with my hands, but that's all right. So the icing for this is really simple. Super healthy and good for you too. 1 entire package of cream cheese. 1 stick of butter. Are y'all with me? And we're gonna cream this together. As soon as I plug in this, we're gonna do this. Stay with me. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna cream together our cream cheese and our stick of butter. This is softened butter. Watch your fingers when you're doing this. Remember, I'm a professional. And then we're gonna slowly add our powdered sugar. And then to this, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Voila. As you can imagine, this icing is delicious. I'm telling y'all, do not put this on your pumpkin bars while it's hot. It will be the biggest mess in the world. The great thing about these bars is it is a fall season recipe. So you can start enjoying these as early as you want to call it fall and as late as, well, who cares? Have them at Christmas. This would be a really nice dessert to have at your Thanksgiving this year. Who doesn't love pumpkin bars? Now you gotta be careful here. You see what I'm doing? If you push down too hard and pull it too hard, you'll pull the top off your cake, and I don't want that. So push and pull. If you're not careful and you start moving this around, you can pull the whole top layer of your bars off because it's a delicate top. Push and pull and push and pull and push and pull. I see you. I see you. I see you.
I think it's the amount of
Oh, I see you.
the icing on the bottom.
You know, the great thing about, well, my mom has always been this way. And for the most part, her television show, life ain't perfect. But sometimes you'll see that even the people that
Do it all the time.
run into the same challenges that y'all will. I wonder if maybe I should have put a little little
Butter
spray
flavor.
of something on my spatula so the cream cheese wouldn't stick. But you know what? As I love to say, the dog will never complain. So you just have fun cooking, and if it doesn't turn out, give it to your dog.
Oh, this is going to turn out, I can already tell.
Yeah.
I'm not real worried about
I'm gonna leave it bake. What I should have done was used a little bit smaller spreader. Got a little overboard with that spreader. My mom would have stood here with a butter knife and done it all slowly. And instead, I dumped the whole thing on top right at the beginning. So let's give it a test drive. What do y'all say? We'll start down here on the ugly end. See, what are we gonna do here? I think we'll do like a brownie size. I do love a corner. Let's see what kind of little tool Mama's got over here. This looks good, whatever this thing is.
Ooh, look how moist that is.
What y'all think? Looks pretty daggum good. So y'all get going, because Thanksgiving is coming. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks, y'all. We'll see you around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.